You're struggling to log out of the Apple Store on your iPhone. I'll quickly show you or walk you around on how to log out of Apple Store on your iPhone. So with one or two steps, you can easily log out a certain account on your Apple Store and log in a different account. However, when you want to do this, make sure you know your Apple ID password so that when you want to log in back to the Apple Store again, you'll be able to sign in with your password. Or you may need to use reset forgotten password. However, if all things are in place and you want to sign out of the Apple App Store on your iPhone, all you need to do is open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you click on that, click on your profile icon at the top right. Now you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page like this and tap sign out. Once you tap on the sign out button, then scroll up. You should see your account signed out. Then click on the done button at the top right. Once you hit the no button at the top right, you'll be sent out of Apple Store on your iPhone. Now to sign into the Apple Store again on your iPhone, you need to do is click on the profile icon at the top right. Then tap sign in with Apple ID. Tap continue. Once you hit the continue button, you'll be signed into the Apple Store automatically using your Apple ID. Then after that, tap on the done button and then you are done. So if you find this interesting, you want to smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.